Hi, this is Rob Slack. I'm president of Flexible Workforce, and I've been in this industry a long time, back from the 70s. And I remember back in the day, for communication purposes, we actually used CB radios to dispatch drivers. When pagers came along, we used to page drivers, actually have them go to a payphone where we knew all the numbers to. They would call us collect. We would refuse the charges, call them back to try to save some money. My first mobile phone was like the Army field radio. Actually had to go through a mobile operator where everybody who had a mobile phone on that system could hear your whole conversation. So I would say that communication has come an awful long way since the 70s when I started. And today, obviously, smartphones have dominated the industry. A lot of courier companies are using smartphones now to do their scanning versus the old handheld scanning devices, which were extremely expensive and they get damaged and broken all the time. So they've gone to the use of the smartphones, and it's a very smart thing for them to do. But if you look at any driver these days, if you bring in 10 drivers and you say, "Let me see your smartphone," they're going to pull out a phone, they're going to show you, and it's going to have chips, and it's going to have a crack across here, or this one's got several cracks all across the screen. The battery life on them isn't very good. How many times you hear a driver say, "Oh, my phone died, I didn't get your message." So we went out and we were looking for a partner who could provide better quality products, phones, services, accessories, and we came across the people at Caterpillar. This is the people who make the heavy-duty equipment. So we figured, who better to make a heavy-duty phone than the people at Caterpillar? So Caterpillar had started out with this project, and they had built this cat phone, and here it is right here. This is the cat phone S41. It comes in this nice little box here, and their whole goal here was this phone was make it rugged enough for the construction industry to use it, because guys are dropping phones all the time and they're out in gravel, and cracked screens or something that happens all the time. So they've built this phone. It's almost indestructible. We've been testing them here now for a couple of months. We have dropped them. We dropped them in water. They're waterproof. They have a screen that we just can't seem to even crack it. When we try to use it, we've hit it with hammers and we haven't cracked it. So it's a very, very durable phone from a battery life perspective. This phone right here, at the end of a day, will still have 90% of a charge on it. And if that isn't enough, you can also get these nice charger banks that has a flashlight in it as well. And this will charge up to probably 4 phones to a full charge. And this will stay charged for a long time. So these cat phones are ideal for the courier industry. So we negotiated with the Caterpillar for a special price on these, because obviously we deal with hundreds and thousands of drivers all over the country. So we've come up with a nice pricing schedule on this S41, but you have to get it through a special code that we'll give you. So if you want to send a email to info@smartdeliveryphone.com, that's info@smartdeliveryphone.com, we'll send you an email back with the login information so that you can go into the site and shop around and see how much they're going to be. They have leasing options available, not only for the courier company and the trucking company. They also have individual leasing options for the drivers if the drivers are going to be getting their own phone. So it's a great phone. I think it's a great opportunity. It's the next step up in communication for the courier and trucking industry, and I strongly encourage you to check it out. So follow the link at the bottom of the screen. You can go to their website, take a look around, get the special code from us, and you'll be able to buy them a little bit cheaper. So thanks a lot, and have a safe delivery day.